Every morning after 60 can feel a little heavier. Your legs might not move as quickly, your balance feels off, and those mysterious night cramps, they're more than just aging. But what if I told you that eating one simple food before 8 a.m. could help you delay leg aging by up to 10 years? Millions of older adults face a silent condition called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of leg muscle. It starts slowly, difficulty standing up, wobbling when stepping off curbs, or relying on your arms to push off the couch. The worst part, there's no warning, no pain, just weakness creeping in day by day. But science has revealed something powerful. Your first meal of the day, especially what you eat within the first hour of waking up, can protect your legs, reduce cramps, and even reverse muscle loss. Meet David, 69. Once a strong construction worker. Now his mornings were stiff and uncertain. He stumbled on a low porch step not because of a medical condition, but because his legs just gave out. After speaking with a dietitian, he made one change. He stopped skipping breakfast and started eating the right foods. 3 weeks later, his morning walks returned. Today, he says, I feel like I've got my legs back. So, what exactly did David eat? Here are the 5 breakfast foods that research says can rebuild your leg strength. Eggs, rich in leucine and B12. Eggs repair muscle and improve balance. Oatmeal plus chia seeds, reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to your legs. Banana, known as nature's electrolyte pill, it prevents painful leg cramps. Greek yogurt, packed with slow-releasing protein that fuels your muscles all morning. Salmon or sardines to X, weak, loaded with omega-3 south that reduce inflammation and muscle wasting. And then there's the secret 6th meal, a warm, steamed sweet potato topped with a pinch of Celtic salt. It sounds simple, but this combo replenishes electrolytes, stabilizes blood sugar, and fuels your leg muscles right when they need it most. Here's what you can do tomorrow morning. Drink a glass of warm water with a pinch of natural salt. Eat one of the 5 power foods within 30 minutes of waking. Do 3 minutes of gentle leg lifts. Get 5 minutes of sunlight to activate vitamin D. You don't have to accept weakness as part of aging. Start with your breakfast. Let me know in the comments, which food will you try first, eggs, oats, or sweet potato? Subscribe to Senior Health for more tips to stay strong, independent, and active every single day.